Here I have Infinix Smart 6 HD, and today I'm going to show you how to enter Fastboot mode on this device. So firstly you have to turn off your Infinix. And after it turns off completely, you have to hold down a combination of keys, power key plus volume up at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. After the screen turns on and you can see Infinix logo appeared, you have to release power key and keep holding only volume up. Just like this. When you see XOS logo appeared and no command message under it, what you have to do is to hold down power key and press volume up once. In the following menu, using volume keys to navigate and power key to select the second option, reboot to bootloader, and after that you will end up in Fastboot mode. So if you want to quit this mode, just do as it says. Press power key for 8 seconds to exit Fastboot mode and then restart. So let's do it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.